This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. This is the New York AM session. Today is August 6, 2025. Missed a long trade on Bitcoin here on the 5-minute, and I'm currently long in a Bitcoin trade on the 15-minute. We'll start up here on the 5-minute and I'll walk you through what happened this morning. So this morning, I set my bias here. So this is the swing low, and this is the, oh, my bad. Come up here. Let's put these levels up. So this is the swing low right here. So this is the swing low. And this area here is the swing high from the previous session. You can see when this is the 8 a.m. New York 8 a.m. New York timeline right here. So with that coming in, you see a sweep and a closure here below that level, also below this level. So with a close below a swing low of a previous session, I'm going to be long bias. Got FOMO here and jumped the gun early. I'll remove this Fibonacci retracement tool and show you what I saw and the error that I made. So you can see this very, very, very small fair value gap right here, and these three candles here, very small. I counted this all as one pattern. But I definitely had FOMO at this time because of what I did not pay attention to was the fact that this fair value gap is located above the equilibrium level. And to take a long, I want to take a long and buy in an area of discount. So anything above equilibrium is going to be premium. This level here being equilibrium. Anything below here is going to be discount. Buying, you want to buy at discount, sell at a premium. Premium, you want to sell at a premium, cover at a discount. So I'm out of position. So that was one error here. Another error, or this error would have been corrected if I had been more patient. If we go back here to the left, you'll see this pattern here. And then there's a fair value gap that's right here. And if I slide this over, actually here, okay, this purple line is the open price at midnight. You can see there's a fair value gap here, and it's below equilibrium. And you can see on my stop out candle, I entered here as it pulled back. This is the 8:30 a.m. open price, this yellow dotted line here. So I took an entry under that, and then price sold off, bought up. I considered exiting here in these two candles just because I realized I was out of position, and then get stopped out in this candle here. But the candle that stopped me out is actually the candle that I would want to enter on. But by the time I got set up to take an entry, price was already back up here, so I failed to take an entry. Then a little FOMO took over. I took a small position here, and then took it off as price came back below here. I was attempting to use this sell side delivery candle as a stop loss, but that didn't work out. And then you can see the trade here is delivered to the buy side, and my target was reached, which my target would have been back here. There's this fair value gap right here where you can see where price is trading at now. So I missed that trading opportunity here this morning on the 5-minute. Fortunately, here on the 60-minute, yesterday I entered a position and still holding in this position. And this position had a break of structure, a market structure shift here this morning, closing below these candles. And even though this gave me a short bias, I wasn't going to trade against my position. And then you can see getting the buy side delivery coming in here. So two small losers, and those were my personal errors. So also a debate on whether or not taking entries My preference is to take entries. This was another mistake. So I took this, or at least another mistake for how I'm using this system. I took this entry while price was below this 830 open price. But when I went back over my rules, I need price action to respect both of these levels. So technically I needed price to be delivered below this level here. And you can see price came close, but failed to do so. But there was room for this to happen and the stop loss to be respected. So technically this would have been a no trade. Either trade would have been a no trade, even though you can see price action did make it to target, and this did come close to the midnight open price. So I'm going to have to evaluate how I want to approach things going forward. But you can see with this consolidation here in this area that it did take some doing to get going, and could have gone either way, but the algorithm delivered price to the buy side eventually. So with this in mind, I'm going to currently go back to what I was doing before, which is hold for both levels, because I've seen trades where price action is in between these levels, where price action is trading in between these levels, and let's say I wanted to go short. Well, I'm above this level, but I'm below this level, and I've seen trades fail when they're trading in between these levels. So with this price action here, trading in between the levels, when it comes to a probability perspective, I believe that the probabilities are lower than when both levels are respected. So I'm just going to hold with what I have now and just approach this as in this was some FOMO activity here and here. And then if we go to my trading history for today, you can see these two positions here. One here is 645, one here 814. You can see here a small loss here about 30 cents, and small loss here. Maybe around about 10-12 cents or so. So small losses here, but losses nonetheless, and completely unnecessary for at least two reasons. So trader today are on short bias just because there was a close above this swing high. There was no close below this swing low. So I'm registering a short bias here on the 60-minute, and then here on the 5-minute, there's a long bias for this AM session, and then we'll see if the PM session will, what the PM session will deliver. But there could be continuation to the buy side, or price action could shift to the sell side now that buy side liquidity has been swept. So any buy side liquidity that was resting in this area has now been swept. So the algorithm may be looking for some sell side currently, or may continue to deliver to the buy side, sweeping out buy side delivery here, buy side liquidity here and here. But the day will reveal what it wants to do, and then I will react if I have a trade set up. But this is what I'm seeing so far today in the market here in the AM. This is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy. We'll see you next time.